party people, my party people. Hands up if you rockin' with me. Party people, my party people.
This is where I'm at. I stole your favorite beanie, so I needed it for this video. I'm gonna return it to you tonight.
If you rockin' with me, party people, my party people. LMFAO and Dirt Nasty.
Now I got everything that a dude could want. House in the hills, made by Louis Vuitton. But when I dance in the spot, all the ladies cut, cause it looks like I had a seizure up in the club. I can't dance, not at all. In LA, we play the wall. I wanna dance, I can't do it. I can't dance, I'm too Jewish. I can't dance.
There was nothing but freaks. This dude was dancing like way off beat. Dude had moves I ain't seen before. He grabbed the back of his neck, slammed down to the floor. Is he hurting or is he jerking? I don't know, but it seems to be working. He's got all the ladies screaming his name. Dirt Nasty, are you okay? He can't dance, you dumb bitch. Why don't you suck his dick already? He left the club on another journey, listening to his iPod, laying on a gurney. He can't dance. I heard him say, I can't dance. Nope, I wish I could, but I can't. I can't dance.
Think I'm for you. I can't dance.
Hands up, hands up, hands up.
I can't dance.
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Yeah, I need some vodka.
Cartwright? It's Carlo with the concert. Your friend Mitchell is here. Yes.
Cause I can't dance to save my life. Yeah, I need some vodka. Pina coladas. Cause I can't dance to save my life. Yeah, Dirt Nasty, LMFAO. I'm trying to dance, homies. I'm trying to learn from y'all. I just think I'm a little too white for this, but I'ma keep trying. I'ma keep studying. I'ma take ballet class. I'ma take jazz, tap, hip-hop class. You know what I mean? And I'ma come off stage and do the jerk with you, baby. Dirt Nasty, LMFAO. I need some vodka, pina coladas, cause I can't dance to save my life near Hava. I need some vodka, pina coladas, cause I can't dance to save my life. Nope.
Dirt Nasty. Dirt. My voice is hoarse as fuck from screaming my lungs out at your concert. Just want to say thanks for getting my hat back to me. I really appreciate it. Hope you like my video and you hook me up with some fucking regalia.